The Zena Home Bathroom Organizer Shower Caddy is a versatile storage solution designed to help you keep your bathroom, kitchen, pantry, closet, or even kids' toys neatly organized. It is constructed with a chrome finish for a sleek and modern look that complements a wide range of interior styles. Key features. Adjustable tension rod. The Caddy features an adjustable tension rod, allowing it to fit in spaces ranging from 26 inches to 76 inches in width. This flexibility means you can use it in various areas of your home, making it highly adaptable. 2 baskets. It comes with 2 spacious baskets, providing ample storage space for your toiletries, kitchen supplies, pantry items, or kids' toys. The baskets are designed with open wire construction, making it easy to see and access your stored items. 3 hooks. In addition to the baskets, there are 3 hooks attached to the Caddy. These hooks are perfect for hanging towels, loofahs, or other hanging items, adding extra convenience to your organization. No drilling required. One of the standout features of this Caddy is its no-drill installation. It uses tension to stay securely in place, eliminating the need for wall-mounted hardware. This makes it ideal for renters or anyone who doesn't want to put holes in their walls. Durable construction. Caddy is built to last with a chrome finish that is both attractive and resistant to corrosion and rust. This ensures that it will maintain its appearance and functionality over time. Easy assembly. Setting up the Zena Home Bathroom Organizer is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools. The tension rod can be adjusted easily to fit your desired space. Space-saving design. The Caddy's design is space-efficient, making it suitable for smaller bathrooms or tight storage spaces.